Morning team, hope you've had a super good weekend and that you're reasonably fresh and ready to go. Let's have a look through today and see what's on the cards. So we've got a full week. You can see up here Monday to Friday. I've put the whole week up like this. Remember, you can collapse the week and put it back to how it is. I've removed all the old pages. Friday is going to be another fun day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are your main work days. And they're following the same timetable that we've been doing. So 3 lessons today, starting with maths, then you have writing, and then you're doing STEAM with me. And for your STEAM class, there's no live meeting at the start of the period today, but I want you to watch that video. We're going to be wrapping up this group design soon. We're going to build it back at school where we've got all the equipment, but we'll be moving on to something else, something fresh. Okay, so for maths today, we've got 4 lessons of maths this week, and today and tomorrow are just tackling the figure it out task I've got for you. If you're in Delta Maths or Gamma Maths, you're doing fish figures. And if you're in X-ray Maths, you're doing sunburst. And what you need to do is you need to follow these instructions here, which is basically go to your home page. So here, if I go to Artyom Prensky, he's got this page here, Term 2, Week 4. That's where he's going to do his work this week. And he's going to copy his work from this page here. Now, Artyom's doing, which one is he doing? He's doing fish figures. Artyom's he's doing sunburst. Okay, so if I go back to his page, he's got to come onto sunburst here and probably reduce the page like this and just click out in the white and copy it all, and you can see how it goes dark there. So Control C, you can copy, you can do that a number of times. Then he goes back to his page, and on that page there, don't create a new one, on this page, click there and push Control V. And if he just makes that small, he can see that it's set out how he needs to. So I've done that one for him. But that's what you guys do for the page that you're meant to be doing. Now let's just go back to your homework page. I will have a meeting today with these groups. So I'm going to meet with Delta at 9:15, Gamma at 9:30, and X-ray at 9:45. You can ask me questions before then, but when I have your meeting, I'm going to be going to your pages, and it'd be neat to see that you've made a start and you've copied that work down. There is no warm-up today. We're not doing Khan Academy. We're just getting straight into this. And then you're going to give yourself 5 minutes break for a rest before you get into your writing. For homework this week, it's just reading. You can see here you've got your private chapter book reading, and you're filling out a little reading log from Mr. Hobson, and I want you to do some reading plus work or your Lexia work. So 4 sessions of homework this week. You do 2 C readers and you do 2 vocab exercises on your work. And let's see an example. Yeah, when you turn onto your Reading Plus program, you can see the 2 things here. So 2 readings and 2 vocabs. Okay, what else do I have for you guys? the top maths boys, have a look at your AppsMo maths page or your problem solving maths page. There's a message for you there to have a look at some things that have been marked. And remember, that's always a page you can go to do some extra extension maths. There's all sorts of cool problem solving things that Mr. Knott puts up there. Yep, I think that's all for today. So just communicate with me. That's the main thing. If you have a problem, you don't know what to do, make sure that you get some help if you can't figure it out for yourself. Good luck, guys. Have a good day. If you've got any questions based on what I've said, just put them on our chat page, which looks like this. Just have to type this up, 8BL class. 8BL. Put them on this page here, okay? And then maybe we can help answer it for those boys that need that. Okay, thanks boys, good luck.